Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I will be presenting to you this custom modified Seiko. It's partially modified. This is another watch that came into my collection recently. I have a friend of mine that started modifying watches for a living, and I've been thinking about a watch for a really long time, and I wanted to modify it. I was very intrigued by this thing called Vanta Black, which is the blackest paint on the planet, but that one is mostly used on military and industrial purposes, and regular mortals like me and you don't have access to that kind of paint. So the next best thing is the Black 2.0, which is really close to that, and that is what I used to modify the dial in this watch. Okay, and that is the reason why I'm calling this watch, ready for it, the Singularity. Actually, there are multiple reasons why I call it the Singularity. One, it's because my fascination with the black holes, of course, and space and everything. And you know, the black paint that absorbs the light, 99.5% of the light, something like that, is being absorbed or through the paint. And then you have the very shiny part that you see there. That would be like the event horizon on the black hole, which is also called the Singularity. We also have another one here, and of course the bracelet is shinier than the case. The case is brushed, it's stainless steel, everything is stainless steel, but the case was brushed and only the numbers were left shiny. And the crown, I also love the offset crown very much. It is a automatic mechanical watch. You can see the inner workings in the back here. It has a butterfly clasp that you just squeeze and then you pull on it to open. And compared to the JSD-UN, the other one of my favorite watches in the collection, this one doesn't open willy-nilly. It takes a little bit of effort to open it, and you also have this safety here that doesn't let it open if you accidentally touch the butterfly. It keeps it in place. So I like the watch. I've been wearing it for the past couple of weeks. Is very accurate. If you're interested in having a watch made, it's Seiko Mod MTL that you need to look for. You find him on Instagram and tell him that George sent you, and talk with him, and he will build you a watch how you want it to be. Okay. The watch is also capable of date. The mechanism is capable of date, but I didn't want that. I want the perfectly black thing. Okay, and as I was talking about the Singularity, it's Singularity because it's one of a kind. I don't know of anyone else doing a watch like this, or even doing what I did to the watch, having a Vanta Black, well, almost Vanta Black screen on the watch. And yeah, so it's related to a black hole. It's one of a kind, and it's mine. That is why it's Singularity. Okay, so this is all for now. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.